Hey guys, it's Ty here, director at iCare. Welcome to the first episode of Cooking with iCare. Over the next couple of months, we'll be running a series on basically cooking our famous resi meals. We'll be getting some special guests in, some of our resi staff, with the idea being that we're going to put together a cookbook for all of our wonderful staff. Today I'll be cooking spaghetti carbonara. It's super easy and it was my go-to dish back in the day when I was working in resi. Hope you enjoy. Hey guys, there it is, my super simple spaghetti carbonara. Keep an eye on our socials to see who our next guest chef's going to be and what they're going to be cooking up. Cheers.